Hello everyone, the latest information revealed that the Honda CB1000R Hornet and CB1000R will also use an electronic clutch. The patent related to Honda's electronic clutch has been registered and issued since March 2025. The motorbike used in the patent image is clearly the CB1000R. Many speculate that the next generation of the CB1000 Hornet and CB1000 will be equipped with the Eclutch system that is already installed on the CBR650R. The new generation CB650R has just been launched at the EICMA 2023 event. This new technology was introduced by Honda at EICMA 23 and installed on the CBR650R CB650R, which will be sold in Japan on April 25th under the name Honda Eclutch. By adding an actuator to a manual transmission, it basically has the characteristics of a manual vehicle, but when the system is on, it is possible to start, shift gears and stop without having to operate the clutch lever. When we first hear about it, we might imagine something like a Super Cub's automatic centrifugal clutch, but in the case of this technology, it is simply a machine with a structure similar to a conventional manual transmission car, but with the addition of automatic clutch control to the car transmission. Not only can the driver operate the clutch lever at any time, but when combined with quick shift, gear changes are faster and smoother than just using a conventional transmission lever. The patent for the Honda Eclutch has been registered and republished, but the image depicted in the patent image is the CB1000R. If it meets expectations, this patent can be seriously considered and installed on a 1000cc four-cylinder engine. It looks like the CB1000 Hornet is counting down to its official launch in Japan, and the latest color of the CB1000R will feature Eclutch specs. Another thing to pay attention to is the aforementioned electronic clutch. It uses sensors to receive input from the clutch lever, and all clutch control is done electronically without using any cables. From the driver's perspective, it may work like an electronic clutch, but the way it is controlled is very different. Regarding this, the Japanese media believes that it will be more likely to be applied to a larger model that can reduce additional costs, which is truly compatible with DCT dual clutch. And that's our review today. See you in the next video.